Colombia's infrastructure pipeline looks very robust for 2016. Large part of it is going to be toll roads. You know that the 4G program approximately is close to $20 billion in capex and investments, out of which nearly 2/3 will be looking for financial closings during this year and beginning of next year. So you're going to have around 12 or 14 billion dollars of projects just on 4G toll road programs. We have other opportunities coming in airports and ports and this year, but largely the largest piece of the pipeline is going to be toll roads. No, I think the opportunities are huge because of the size of the program. As I said, just for this year, we're looking to do financial closings around $12 or $13 million in financial closings only on the debt side, which will require mobilization of resources coming from both local and international sources. So as you know, with the results of P3, we are opening the capital markets door also to participate in this, but we're looking for opportunities not only on the debt side, but we also see in the future years opportunities coming on the equity side as well for 4G. Well, the funding clearly is going to come, at least in this initial phase, is going to come significant, is going to come from the local markets, both banks and capital markets. But I will say that close to 30 or 40% of the funding will come from international sources, taking advantage of the government supports in dollar currency that allows the projects to raise international money. We hope that around between 30 or 40% of the funding will come from international banks, multilaterals, and some capital markets participation. FDN plays, in my opinion, a critical role in the mobilization of resources. Our key challenge is clearly helping and supporting the participation of multiple sources. We've been working very closely from the beginning with the multilaterals. We've been working with the local banks to expand the group of local banks involved. We have then been working with international banks, bringing the interest of international banks to participate. And more recently, we've been working very hard to involve capital markets in the process by the kind of products that we use. For example, in the recent operation of Pacifico 3, that basically more than 60% of the funding came from capital markets, a big part from the international capital markets. The FDN provided a multi-purpose liquidity facility that provided an important credit enhancement to the project to achieve its investment grade, and that was a critical responsibility, a critical role to achieve the mobilization of this broader group of investors. So going forward, our role will continue to be an institution with a development assignment to help the mobilization of multiple sources to support this very large program.